right, so this is it. This is the day before my microloc install, and please excuse my hair. I have gel slicked down in my hair, and my hair does not like gel at all. Like, it literally starts crusting up in like 2 days, and this is just my little gray patch in my hair. Like, I got a little baby skunk patch in my hair for my braids, but the rest is like gel. And today, also I am drinking a blue slushy, so don't worry about my blue tone. But all right, so today is the day, you guys. This is the day before my microloc install, and I'm so nervous. I'm getting ready to wash and prep my hair tonight, and tomorrow is going to be the install. So I'm literally just going to wash the detangle, and then I'm going to braid my hair up into maybe like 12 big plaits, braids. I don't know. Like, my microloc install, I'm getting 12 sections. So I'm probably gonna put my hair into like 12 big braids, but I don't know. But this is my hair, you guys. This is it. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like after I wash all of this gel out. And I have a lot of shrinkage, and I lost some length. My hair was literally my hair was right here, y'all, and I lost a lot of length. But when I do pull it, it comes about to my armpit, but it's somewhere between my armpit and my collarbone. Like, I feel like the front of my hair is my collarbone, and the back of my hair stretches like to my armpit. So with this, once it shrinks up, it's probably going to be about like here, like ear length and like chin length when it shrinks. But this is my hair. I'm debating if I should go ahead and take it out. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out and show y'all. So this is it. This is my hair. I want to show y'all my density. So if anybody has like similar density to me, you can kind of like use this for a reference of how your locks are going to be. But yeah, like, my hair is, I just consider my hair as like average density. I don't know, like, it's not super thick, but one thing I will tell you is when my hair is in locks, it gets thick. And this is why I'm in the situation where I am now, because every time I get locks, after they bud and mature and thicken, they get bigger, and I'm like, I don't like the size. The first time I got locks, I had 51 locks. They bud, they got thicker. I was like, I don't like the size. My second loc journey I just had and just combed out, I had 120 locks. They were very small when I first got them. I got the instant lock method started off with, and after they matured and started budding around like 1.5 years, 2 years, I noticed that they weren't super small, but they were small, but they're not small enough. So I'm getting microlocs because I have always wanted microlocs. This is it. I'm gonna turn around and show y'all my hair. And it's really like shrunken and everything. I hope y'all can see a good view, but literally, like, this is my thickness, my density. And once I wash it, I'm gonna like take out this part because you can't see like all of my hair because it's literally like smushed to my head. But yeah, this is my little gray patch I was talking about right here. So yeah, let me pull and show y'all. And of course I would be wearing a black shirt, of course. Can y'all see? There we go. This is where it stops. Crazy. You see how bad my shrinkage is? It's crazy. The front, like I said, ear length. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how long my hair is. So I'm putting my hair back into my puff, but I just wanted to show y'all. See, after I stretched my hair, now look how big my puff is. Like, my hair shrinks so much. Like, did you see how little my puff was? Now it's stretched, which is good. I have to make sure my hair is stretched for tomorrow's appointment. But this is a shoestring, if y'all are wondering. I took 2 shoestrings, tied them together, and made this little hair tie. And I just take it in the bag, wrap it around, and go like this. and then I tie it one more time in the back. Like literally just tie it and then tie it one more time. All right. So I have to go to the gym. So it's a good thing that I'm washing my hair after the gym. But this is my puff, and I'm just gonna leave it like this. All right, so I just washed all of the gel out of my hair, and this is it. I got a lot of shed hair that I need to detangle out, but yeah, like I said, I have shrinkage. But I'm going to take some conditioner, put it all over my hair, and I'm going to detangle and conditioner. After I detangle, I'm just going to wash that out, and then I'm going to braid my hair up into big sections. And I pray that my hair is dry enough for tomorrow. Like, I just hope it dries overnight, because I don't want it to be damp. Like, I want my hair to be dry enough for my install. So yeah, here's my curl pattern for anybody who's wondering. Like, I always say that my hair type is 4A, and it's because I have really, really tight little ringlet curls. See? See? This is my curl pattern. I want you guys to, you know, just see my hair, the density of my hair. And my hair always gets super thick when I lock my hair up. Like, it gets really thick. It's not super thick, but it's also not fine either. But yeah, this is it. So let me show you. So like with my hair density, I believe I want very small partings. And just know that your hair does not have to be super thick to get sisterlocs or microlocs. I suggest you go on Amazon and get this microloc sizing tool right here. And these are different sizes that you can get your microlocs. As you can see, the little squares show you how wide your parts will be. So if you believe that you have super thick hair, you maybe want to go like a little bigger. If you have finer hair, you maybe want to go somewhere in the middle. Or if you have like medium density hair, maybe like small. But I mean, it really just depends on your density and what you're looking for overall. So get you one of these, part your hair, and give yourself like example 2-strand twists just to see how big they are. But I'm going to go ahead and finish detangling my hair, and I'll show y'all when I'm done. Alright, so my hair is pretty much detangled. Like, as you can see, it's just sliding right through. Like, my fingers are going right through because it's soaked with conditioner. So now I'm just going to wash it and braid it up. But yes. Alright, so I just washed the conditioner out and now I'm using the 𝙎𝘖𝘾𝙄𝘼𝙨 coconut co-wash. Gonna wash my hair with this and put it into the braids. Alright, now I am out of the shower and just braiding my hair up into loose braids. And this is the left side. Before I completely braid up the right side, I'm going to take my microlocs sizing tool and probably play with a few of the different sizes just to kind of see what size I want to go with. And I know I want a full head of locks, but I don't want to end up with too many. Like 400-500 locks is just like too much. Like, I'm kind of aiming for 250 to like 275 locks, but if I get a little bit close to 300, maybe a little over 300, that would not be an issue with me. So you see I left the ends loose. I left the ends loose, so I'm gonna let this dry. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over here. So it's gonna be 14. Okay, my hair is super damp and wet and it's just complicated. So I'm just going to do the sizing tomorrow with my loctician. Cause yeah. Alright, so I did braid my hair, but at the ends I'm two-strand twisting it because I don't want to put braids at the end and then they're hard to get loose. But I'm happy because since taking out my locks, this is my first time actually seeing my hair loose and stretched, and I can see my length. I can kind of see how my locks will fall once I get the install. So like, yeah, I'm just glad that, you know, it's shoulder-ish length, collarbone, I don't know, a little armpit length in certain areas. See, they are shrunken. See, it's shrunken. It's longer than it looks, which is good. Like, I was kind of worried about they're gonna be like super short, but I got some length. We got a little bit of length, so this is good. I'm excited, but again, my hair is clean now, and you guys can see the density of my hair. So this is my density. Of course, you saw it when it was loose, but yeah, my hair is not super thick, so you do not have to have thick hair to get sisterlocs or microlocs. Like, trust me, they are going to thicken on their own once they mature and collect like the shed hairs and they drop. They're going to thicken and bud. Just give your hair time and just believe. But once again, get you a microloc sizing tool so that you can figure out what size microloc will be best for you and your density. And I'll leave the link to the tool down in the description box. But yeah, I'm gonna kind of dry my hair in front of my heater because I don't have a blow dryer. I have like a portable heater. I'm gonna dry my hair because I don't want to go to bed with it wet, just to like speed up the process. And I will see you guys tomorrow with my install.